Good morning, how y'all doing? I am ready to start the day. It's a beautiful day. Once again, the sun is shining, the temperature is going to be nice. But this morning, I gotta do some job interviews for jobs I do not want to do, for people I do not want to work for, but I have to do it anyway, because that's life. Yeah. Nevertheless, I'll try and film something this morning. I don't know if it will be live, probably not. So the rest of the filming will probably be this afternoon. I do apologize for that, but that's just the way it's going to be. One vlog is going to be longer and better than another one. But hey, that's just the way it is. Okay. See, I'm not home right now. I'm at my grandmother's place because I'm going to eat something first, and then I'm going to walk home. Either way, I went to the job day. I did my job interviews and I did 3. One of them went horrible, the other 2 went really well. But they want me to go to the other side of the country for a test day. I mean, like, why? Why? I'm not even certain I'm gonna get the job and you want me to go to the other side. Oh my god, I can't even be asked. I literally can't be asked. However, the one that went really bad, they were looking for a part-time salesman. That's why I was interested in the job. And then they started asking me, well, what if you have to work for a week full-time? Well, I guess I can live with that. But what if you have to work full-time for 2 months? Are you fucking kidding me? You're looking for a part-time guy? That's basically a full-time guy you're looking for. Don't do those things, you fucking assholes. But I was quiet and I stayed still. I should have said what I wanted to say, but sometimes I'm a little bit too shy. Sometimes I keep it in myself, and sometimes that's good, other times that isn't. And this time I should have said what I wanted to say. Go suck a dick, you dumb twats.
There's no one quite like me, I'm as jolly as can be. Oh, I'm such a handsome fellow, can't you see? Love lifts us up where we belong. Throw it all away for one happy day.
Oh hey, what's up guys? I didn't see you there. Totally did not. Anyway, I was just about to play with a friend a game and edit today's vlog, and I was just thinking of something. Yesterday I promised you guys that I would tell you what I thought of the new Walking Dead episodes, and I thought it was really good. It was the best one so far in a while, because the other ones were boring, but now the most recent one was really good. I'm really excited for the finale, the final episode. Yeah, it was great. Shasha was mentally not in a good place. Eugene is awesome, man. I mean, he's a smart guy. What can you say, man? I would play it just like he plays it. Yes, I'm that kind of guy. Rick was awesome. I thought the way they played it out with Oceanside was really amazing. Cool scene. That will be all. Can you guys see that circle right over there? That's what I call art. Yeah. I just shut down the power of my PlayStation because it was blinking red light because it was overheating. This is great. I've been playing for an hour if you want to know, and that's really not a long time. Really not at all. Fuck me! I'm fucking tired of this shit, so I'm going to get it open, clean it out, and see if the problem will be gone. There's not that much dust at all, so that's probably not the problem. So clean that out already. Here a little bit as the battery, so that's some progress right there. The carnage. Cleaned everything out as good as I could, and now I'm gonna put it all back together. Let's hope it works. It's working again. However, the question will be, will it be working for longer than an hour without dying? Not the most healthy food, but it's food nevertheless. Today's vlog was short. You have my deepest apologies for that. However, that's just the way it's gonna be sometimes. Nevertheless, I've already been vlogging for 2 weeks. Yay me. Yay me. Nobody's still watching, but doesn't matter. I'm enjoying it, and it's fun to look back at something that, happened previously. Either way, I want to thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, perhaps. I would appreciate that. Share, that's always something you can do. Comment on the video. Tell me what I did good. Tell me what I can do better. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. And that will be tomorrow, for the beginning of the 3rd week of vlogging. Oh yeah!